Been about an hour since the fish got here, so we're going to start releasing them into the tank, assuming I can get the stupid rubber bands off. So here we go, 250 at a time, right off into the tank. Swim, little ones! Woohoo, look at that! They all seem to be pretty healthy. Some of them are obviously a little oxygen deprived, but with this big tank, they'll be fine. Swim away! Come on, guys. Unfortunately, some of them will die. So I put the little boot on the drain so the fish don't go out through the drainage. And I have a little bit more work to do on the Venturi system, but that'll be done today. Swim free! Lots and lots and lots of fish. Oh. Whew, lots of fish poop too. Woohoo. So I'm hoping to find a bunch of these bags, but Ziploc size, to put all the fish food in, because with the smell of it, I think it's attracting rats. So we definitely need to do something about that. Wow, bunch of bags to go. My wife's being very helpful here, videotaping the release of the fish. So I'd like to say thank you for that help. Gracias, Jesse, por su ayuda. Ah, ripped one of the rubber bands, which is fine. Come down here, guys. This one's pretty tight. There we go. I put more rubber bands on there because they were damaged. Okay. Did you get a view of the fish yet?
Hay una bolsa en el agua.
¿Mm?
Una bolsita en el agua. A este lado de acá.
Hazlo de acá.
A este lado hay un...
Some of these rubber bands are on there pretty tight. So we ordered these fish last week, la otra semana, ¿cierto? And they just arrived today from Cali, I believe, which is about 600 miles away. They were brought in these bags in a truck on the road. They didn't fly. I was mistaken about that. So they had a long trip. And then they were brought straight to me. And I've been sitting here for an hour. Okay, last one. Get it back. Of course, the last one's the most difficult to get them out. Even. Except for one. Had them all perfect except for this one. There we go. Swim free, little ones. So we're just going to observe them for today, and tomorrow I will start feeding them after all the pumps and everything are ready. And it'll be fun. Looks like a nice big school of fish right now. Look at that. I know. Mira ahí. Looks like some of them are already dead. You see them right there, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, we'll pull them out and get a count on the mortality, and I'll let you know.